Today, inshallah, we are going to see a new chapter that is morphology, word formation, how to formulate words in English and Arabic as well. Okay? So, there are in English several ways of formulating words. This is by the use of bound morphemes, either suffixes or prefixes. And also we have what is called infixes. These altogether are called affixes. Okay? So in English, in Arabic, in all languages, we have morphemes, which are of two types: free morphemes and bound morphemes. We are going to focus on 3 points: derivation, inflection, and compounding. Today we are going to focus on the first point, that is derivation. Okay? Most of the English words are derived from this system. I mean derivation. So the derived elements, I mean suffixes or prefixes or infixes, can change the meaning of a word. Okay? For example, true and true. Okay, you have the opposite. And also you have the derivation changing the lexical category of a word. For example, true is an adjective. Truly is an adverb. Truth is a noun. مش راضي يشتغل.
لا الماوس مش راضي يشتغل.
So you have in derivation the meaning of a word can change, or the lexical category of the word can change. Okay? We need to touch these phenomena one by one and see how nouns are derived from nouns. Yes. And how other elements or parts of speech are derived from each other. So, we have suffixes that mean small, such as drop, droplet. Droplet, you add L-E-T, okay, becomes smaller than drop. Book, booklet. L-E-T is smaller than, booklet is smaller than book. Cigar, cigarette. E-T-T-E is smaller than cigar. Dog, doggy, smaller than dog. This is by adding I-E. And we have doubling here because the last consonant is preceded by a short vowel. Okay? In case of having a short vowel, then we double the last consonant. We have suffixes only for making female, for gender, yeah. So ESS or INE, waiter, waitress, prince, princess, hero, heroine. Okay? So we have these two suffixes added to the word itself, changing its meaning. We have also suffixes specifically for making nationalities. I say Palestine, Palestinian, London, Londoner, New York, New Yorker. You see? Texan, Glaswegian, from Glasgow. We have some suffixes for making state of being, يعني the manner, the position of someone. Ship, hood. I say king, kingship. Lady, ladyship. Mother, motherhood. Priest, priesthood. Okay? We have some suffixes just for making devotion, I mean professions and handicrafts. The profession of someone. It is a noun. This is done by adding ist or ian. We have contortion, contortionist. Islam, Islamist. Logic, logician. History, historian. Technician, linguistician. We have nouns derived from adjectives by adding ity. When I say, for example, pure, pure is an adjective. Okay? Adding ity becomes purity, and this is a noun. Equal is an adjective. Equality, it is a noun. Purity, sensitivity, sensitive, sensitivity. We have ness, okay. Also derived, we have nouns derived from adjectives by adding ness. Good, goodness. Tall, tallness. Forest or fierce, fierceness. Sensitive, sensitiveness, as it is completely like sensitivity. ISM, and I mean in the part of speech, both are nouns. ISM, ism, as in radical, radicalism. Conserve, conservatism. American, Americanism. Palestinian, Palestinianism. Okay? These are nouns derived from adjectives. We now have nouns derived from verbs. Okay? And here we have a number of suffixes used for deriving nouns from verbs. We use ance, ans, or ins, as in perform, performance, ignore, ignorance, refer, reference, convert or converge, convergence, accept, acceptance, depend, dependence. Okay? We have also a suffix called ment, M-E-N-T. Okay? Announce, announcement. Commit, خليكم معايا, commitment. Develop, development. Engage, engagement. Agree, place, placement. Okay? We have also nouns derived from verbs by adding ing. paint, painting, sing, build, ignore, okay, write, listen, speak, dive. Yes, this is by adding only ing. Okay, we have ion. This is added, or tion, this is added to the verb, and this comes out with a noun. Denomination. This is from denominate, commit, commission, organize, organization, confuse, confusion. Okay, we have al added to the verb, comes out with a noun. Refuse, arrive, refer, commit, احكم, committal, propose. Yes, we have also er or or, paint, painter, sing, organize, grinder. As you see, these are professions or handicrafts. They are done by adding er. So you refer to someone, you refer to the profession of someone or the handicraft of someone by adding er. I say farm, farmer, paint, build. Okay. We have or as in lead, leader, act, actor, direct, director. Okay. And sometimes we have the suffix y added to the verb, comes out. This comes out with a noun, as in deliver, delivery, flatter, discover, recover. We have acy, suffix, comes out with nouns. So we have nouns derived from a number of words by adding these suffixes, acy or age, age, or dom, dom, or ery or ry. So we have conspiracy, from conspire, supremacy, from supreme, coin, coinage, short, percent, shrink, king, free, duke or duke, dukedom, slave, refine, refinery. Now we have adjectives derived from other adjectives. This is referring to the smallest degree of things. I say, for example, green. Okay, this is dark green. I need to have it as light green. I say greenish, brown, brownish, small, smallish. Okay, so the ish refers to the small quantity or the small quality. Okay, remote, remotish. Okay, we have the prefix that is also joined to the beginning of a word or an adjective. This comes out with another adjective. I say, for example, for the previous items, green, this is adjective. When I say greenish, suffix, still adjective. Small, adjective. Smallish remains adjective. Okay, remote, remote is also adjective. Remotish is adjective. So once we have happy, Unhappy, this is another adjective. Reliable, unreliable. Sure, unsure. Discovered, okay, undiscovered. So these, the un or an is very productive prefix. Can be added to any adjective making the opposite. Okay, the antonym of the same adjective. We have other prefixes for making adjectives like ir, im, dis, mis, non, non. Okay, so you have tangible, this is intangible. Legal, مش illegal, احنا قلنا illegal. Okay, responsible, responsible, مش irresponsible, this is Arabic. Responsible, irresponsible. Okay, طيب. Possible, impossible. We have other productive prefixes. You can add it before or add it to the beginning of an adjective, comes out with the antonym of the same adjective, like dis as in order, disorder. Obey, disobey. Trust, mistrust. Understand, misunderstand. Cooperative, non-cooperative. Existent, okay. Still we have suffixes added to a number of words, and this comes out with other parts of speech, mainly adjectives. We have able, able, as in, or ed. I say, for example, break, breakable. Okay, it is liable to breaking. Okay, agree, agreeable. Remarkable, remark, remarkable. Rely, reliable. Read, write, writable. Okay, type. We have ent or ant, ent or ant. This is rebel, rebellent. Expect, expectant. Excellent, excel, excellent. Confide, confident. Depend. We have also the suffix ive as repulse, repulsive. Explore, explose, explosives. Create, attract, select, prevent, instruct, instructive. We have suffixes also made from nouns by adding ful, full, as in joy. Joy is a noun. Joyful. Hope, help, meaning, okay. Power, skill, faith, beautiful, beauty, success. Also we have the antonym or the opposite derived from the same noun by adding LESS. Becomes adjective. Joy, joyless. Hope, hopeless. Help, meaning, yes. Power, home, worth, use, yes. So we have also al as a suffix added to the noun. This comes out with an adjective. Origin, norm, person, nation, national, universe, region, regional. Also, once you need to make to add ish. This is for making the least degree. When I say boy, boyish, صبياني يعني. Okay. Selfish, أناني. Okay. Wasp, waspish. Loutish. Foolish. Child, sheepish. Okay. Why? This is added to the noun, making adjective. Fun. Why do we add another n? Why we double the n? Because it is preceded by a short vowel. So fun, funny. Storm, sun, sunny. Guilt, mess, wealth, gloom, as you see. So we can also have ly, okay, for making adjectives, not adverbs. We speak about adjectives. Yani the ly is the productive suffix for making adverbs. Still, it is used for making adjectives. Friend, friendly. Order, orderly. Man, cost, month. These are adjectives, not adverbs. We have OUS, added to the noun, making an adjective, as in danger, dangerous. Mystery, mysterious. Fame, nerve. Poison, okay, poisonous. Still, we have adjectives made from nouns by adding ary, ary, as in moment, momentary, custom, customary, fragment, fragmentary, complement, complementary, honor, revolution, revolutionary. ick, as in history, artist, athlete, athletic. Basis, rhythm, photograph, Islam, scientist or science. Okay, scientist or science. This comes out by adding two suffixes, tfic, tif plus ic. So scientific. Okay. We have realist, realistic. Okay. We can add also some to the adjective, making adverb, to the noun, making adjective. Hand, love, tire, yes. Also we can add en for making adjectives from noun. Wood, wool, gold, yes. We have verbs derived from verbs. Okay. This is by adding the prefix de or dis, okay, or re. This is productive. When I say paint, repaint. Enter, write, read, okay. Explain, complain, recomplain, okay. So this is productive prefix added to the verb. It refers to repetitive actions. You need to repeat, so you say rewrite it, reread, okay, re-utter it once again, okay, re-say it once again, paint, repaint, enter, re-enter, tie, untie. This is the antonym, okay, the opposite. Tangible, sorry, tangle and tangle. Decompose, this comes from originally compose. Sensitize, yes. Entangle, disentangle. Believe, disbelieve. Okay? We have verbs derived from nouns. Okay? This is by having the prefix de, as in bug, debug, forest, deforest, louse, delouse. And also we have ize, as in organ, organize, patron, terror, real, realize. Okay? We have material, apology, critic. Okay. Type beauty, beautify. We add fy. Gentry, gentrify. Petri, petrify. Identity, identify. Clarity, glory. Simple, simplify. Type pressure, pressure, pressurize. Normal, normalize. Natural, naturalize. Okay? Passive, passive, pacifize. Okay? We have verbs derived from other classes by adding en to the adjective. I say short, shorten. Sweet, length, black, wide, broad. This is by adding en, as you see. We have de. This is for having a verb by adding prefix. When I say move, remove. Okay? Okay? Sensitive, desensitive. Freeze, defreeze. Okay? Humiliate, dehumiliate. Okay? We have the ize or ify normally added as suffixes for making nouns, for making verbs from nouns. Okay? When I say normal, normalize, beauty, beautify, but still they can be used for other purposes. Okay? So we don't have specific meaning to these two suffixes. I say, for example, national, nationalize, tender, tenderize, intense, intensify, pure, purify. Okay? We have adverbs. The productive suffix for making adverbs is always ly. So we have easy, easy, easily, recent, recently, private, noise, noisy, noisily, social, socially. Also we have the suffix wise, W-I-S-E, clockwise, value, value-wise. Okay? It is rarely used, but the most productive suffix is the ly. Okay? We have prefixes, okay, added for making adverbs. When I say, for example, sedent, antecedent. Anti, what does it mean, anti here? in A-N-T-E means first. But anti bil I or anti in American English, it is against. Auto means self. By means two. Try, three. Okay? Trilingual, what does it mean? Trilingual. Yani a person speaking 3 languages. Bilingual, a person speaking 2 languages. Multilingual, okay? So a person speaking a number of languages. So multi means numerous. Yes. As I mentioned, anti, this is معناها before. Anti or anti means against. Auto means self. By means to. Circum means around. Con or ku means together. Okay? When I have out, means from or from, it is, here we have enter means between. لما أقول intercontinental يعني between continents. Macro means large. Micro, when I say micro teaching, okay, a sample class done by the teachers to the teachers, okay, micro teaching. But macro teaching is the large process. Miss means wrong. Mono means one. Monolingual, and a person speaking one language. Post means behind or after. Okay. طيب pre before يعني first. Pro for. لما أقول أنا pro Palestinians, supporting Palestinians. Okay. For means for. Pro means for. Against, this is anti-Palestinian. Okay, for example, re means repeat. Rewrite, read, okay, redo, etc. Sub, I say group, subgroup, subgroup. So you divide, you divide things. Means under. Trans means across. Parent, transparent. Transparency. Okay. Tri means three. Uni. Unilateral talks. Unilateral talks. يعني محادثة مالها أحادية الجانب. Uni. Ultra, beyond. Ultrasound. Okay. UN or IR or IN means not. So we have these derivations in English. Now these derivations are of different types, as you see. Why? It is borrowing. As I mentioned, English borrowed from a number of languages. So it borrowed the system of suffixes or prefixes or say affixes. Okay? With all its three types: suffixes, prefixes, and infixes. So you have some words by certain suffixes producing nouns, some other words by certain suffixes producing the same nouns, the adjectives, the adverbs. We have prefixes for making nouns, for making adjectives, for making verbs, for making adverbs. Okay? So we don't have specific rule for making or for deriving words from words, mainly because English relies deeply on borrowing. However, in Arabic the situation is different. We have a rule-based system in Arabic. Okay? So we have either prefixes, infixes, and suffixes. But before shifting to Arabic, I need to focus on infixes in English. When I say, for example, man, men, okay? Here we add infix. We change the A into E. Mouse, mice. Louse, lice. Okay? These are infixes, but they are rare in English. Okay? However, in Arabic, it's very rich of infixes. It's very rich of infixes. So we have katab or katab, triconsonantal sound. Katab, kataba. This is the verb. Derived from the stem by adding what? The short vowels. A, O, E. I mean the nominative case, the accusative, and genitive. Okay? We have كتب, كتب, مكتب. Ma. Is this suffix or prefix? Prefix. Added to the verb, constituting or formulating a noun. مكاتب. We add infix, alif. كاتب. Infix, كاتبة. مكاتبة. Suffix. طيب. Now gender in English, in Arabic, is made by the clitic ta, or ta marbuta. Okay? This is very productive in English. So I say, for example, doctor. In Arabic, I say doctora. It is this is inserted in our colloquial Arabic, in Arabic vernaculars. So we have this tabib, tabiba. Okay, but this is very difficult, or this is not applicable to English. I say doctor in English. I need أريد أن أعالج زوجتي من قبل طبيبة. أريد أن يكشف أو أن تعالج زوجتي طبيبة. أريد طبيبة أن تعالج زوجتي. How could I translate it into English? To be seen by a lady doctor. I'd like my wife to be seen by a lady doctor. Okay? So here we have the clitic system of Arabic. The clitic system of Arabic يعني ضمير الوصل in Arabic. Clitic. We have the clitic system, ضمير الوصل. Is available in Arabic. Is it available in English? No, we don't have cliticization system in English, but we have it in Arabic. So it is very productive. Okay? And we have even fusional words in Arabic. I say a complex sentence in one word, as أسقيناكم. أسقيناكم. This is the transitive verb. We have the subject, the verb, direct object, and indirect object. Okay, أسقيناكم. Okay, so we have the clitic here. Gender is very productive in Arabic. This is done by adding a suffix, ta. Okay, but this is not applicable to English, and this shows the difficulty of the English morphology. You see? So, طبيبة This is suffix. Okay? We have this applicable to most of the nouns of Arabic, most of the verbs of Arabic. So we can derive nouns from verbs. Adjectives from nouns. I say har, har, bard, barid. Okay? قوة, قوي. Okay? So you have also nouns derived from nouns, adjectives derived from nouns, nouns derived from verbs, but this is by adding prefix or suffix or infix. Next time we are going to see more information about the word formation of English, okay, and Arabic as well. And we are going to see the inflection system plus what is called compounding. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.